thought I'd make a video because I was proud of myself for cleaning up yesterday afternoon. And it's kind of nice to walk into a shop that's been swept and wiped down and cleaned. Um, you know, it's there's little parts that are missed, like the miter saw and stuff. So that's the kind of stuff that I have to remember to get and everything. But that vacuum system, finding that pole was really cool because it's really easy for me to come in here to the seed room, grab this thing, and then go over, connect it to the hose over there, and then basically sweep the floor with the vacuum. It works really well. I need to get power to this part over here and get a power plug connector on that very top aspect up here, and that will turn the rotor in the head of the floor sweeper, and that'll work a lot better. But it's pretty cool to come into a relatively clean shop. There's things that need to still get put away, or really things that don't have a place that I need to find a place that makes sense for them.